Frost's descent is the 18th solar term of the 24 traditional Chinese solar terms. During Frost's descent, the climate changes from cool to cold. So the coming of Frost's descent means the beginning of cold autumn. Frost's descent is usually on October 23rd of the solar calendar. When the sun reaches the celestial longitude of 210 degrees, it is Frost's descent of the 24 solar terms. Frost's descent, the last solar term of autumn, and the transition from autumn to winter. In late autumn, there is a lot of heat dissipating on the ground, and the temperature drops to below 0 degrees suddenly. The water vapor in the air directly condenses on the ground or plants to form tiny ice needles, and some become hexagonal frost flowers with wide and loose structure. Frost's descent is one of the 24 solar terms. It happens in late autumn when the weather gets colder and frost begins to appear. Frost can only form in sunny days. People say thick frost fears sun. It's for this reason. In meteorology, the first frost in autumn is generally called early frost, and the last frost in spring is called late frost. There are also early frosts called Credenza frost. Since the Credenza are in full bloom, the Northern Song Dynasty writer Su Shi had a poem said, "1,000 trees are swept yellow, and only hibiscus is fragrant." When it comes to Frost's descent, you can't miss the delicious food. In some places of our country, during Frost's descent, we should eat red persimmon, which can play an effective motion in the lung, bolstering the deficiency, dispelling the effects of alcohol, and relieving cough. White radish is also essential. Shandong has a farming proverb, "End of heat welcomes the harvest of sorghum, and white dew welcomes that of millet." When it comes to frost descent, radish is ripe enough to be pulled out of the ground. In the cold winter, duck and beef naturally become people's first choice of food, because they can help people not only keep warm from the cold, but also strengthen the muscles and bones. Frost descent period is the peak period of chronic gastritis and gastroduodenal ulcer recurrence. The elderly are also very prone to suffer from old cold legs, knee osteoarthritis disease. Chronic bronchitis is also easy to relapse or aggravate. At this time, one should eat more pears, apples, king fruit, onion, mustard, powdered mustard. Frost's descent is like the setbacks and the blows we suffer at different stages in our lives. It brings us cold and loneliness, which make us feel failure and frustration, but also bring us growth and hope. When colorful leaves drifted down from the treetops, frost landed on the earth, which is farewell and meeting as well. When a once brilliant life danced the last dance, the leaves blown by the wind return to the mountain, which is both the end and the beginning.